for my country, oh yawa, oh yawa, yawa, oh yawa, yawa de oh yawa. Chief Eze, and no, I'll check on yours now. I'll check my ticket just now. I'll check my ticket just now. I don't do life. No cut time, will never sleep or day with me like that. I did life. I did life. You hear me? Yeah, my people, una good morning, una good evening. We dey sleep. Nigeria matter. We fit crash. Na never hear am. We no dey sleep o. We no dey sleep. But in that country good, we no go sleep. We don't talk to watching night. Today they watch. Today they check the country day and night. We no dey sleep until the country come good. Yeah. You are welcome. Una do. Chief Eze, I cite you. Mama, you never see crash. You never see crash. Time deal. Yeah, una good morning, una good afternoon. Anytime we dey watch this video from anywhere for the watch. I know say a lot of people don't sleep for Europe. You understand? That's why they be. I just want to make more call the changer. So my people, I just get these few example to give una and some few message. The first number one thing for inside be say, are we not tired of these fake things? Right from where this Buhari just they enter. So Buhari now everything about him na just fake. Everything about this present government na just fake. I don't know wetin we Nigeria dey wait. We be say man, our people never just come one day when they all disagree with these fake things wey dey happen around us. My people, these are the reason why we need to take our country back. Because these people, they don't take us for granted. They don't take us for everything finish around the whole world. They don't give us national disgrace. They don't give us everything we say man, we never want for our life. So this is the main reason we need to take our country back. This is the main reason we need to work. Because for you to call tell me say formally almost 5 months, 9 dead man take rule us for that country. 5 months plus dead man using rule us for that Nigeria. But this one we don't hear now say Buhari na fake, Buhari na fake, Buhari na fake. Before una go really know wetin dey happen just now, they go say na truth. Wetin we do there? Wetin we do there wey they no fit forgive us? Why we not go fight these people? Why we go give up for their matter? Why we go sleep until they come up for that place? Why we go feel rest? Mona tell me why we go feel rest? For you to cause say me person wey dey rule you before na even fake. Everything about this government na fake. Every minister wey dey there na fake. Everything, every promise wey they promise us na fake promise. Even the person wey dey rule us na fake. My people, wetin una want make dem do us? Abeg, I'm gonna tell our brothers and sisters for Nigeria, say time don reach wey we go take say no to them. Enough is enough of this nonsense. Enough is enough. I don't know wetin this government want do now. Mostly our youth, wetin they want do now? What una want to provoke enter street? I don't know. Nigeria just dey okay for suffering and smiling. They just dey balance for suffering and smiling. They just dey enjoy suffering and smiling. E no good. Mona try make we ginger our people, make them know say man time don reach. This 2019, make we say no to fake government. Make we say no to fake people. Make we say no to different nationality we call the rulers for Nigeria. The first say Abacha not be from Nigeria that day. See Buhari now. They say they don't go bring person from Sudan be waiting make call the place. Make call represent Buhari. Because say resemble Buhari. From what I know, I say that thing na truth. What is the level? What do you want make them do us before we go say no? See the other day, I did for my guy shop. See one fine young man, I know I dey respect am. I say they talk say for Buhari not to win. And I say bros waiting. You be wish. If you dey support Buhari, dey support Atiku, you be wish. because those people they just did the same meeting, they did the same place, they did the same evil meeting, they do the same rituals, they see for the same place, so they not be two, they be one. So it's that time we have to know say anytime we take comot our hand for Omoyele Sowore or for AAC to take this country back, my brothers and sisters, suffer na suffer now we go suffer, because if we no plan this thing now we will rush am as we just dey so make we use this today, this tomorrow wey dem dey promise us. Thank God now say the day don break, the tomorrow wey dem promise us yesterday don reach. Abeg my people, before this today wey be say dem say na our day, so before e go pass us, make we join hands together, make we say no to this rubbish, make we say no to this rubbish. I no know wetin dem never do us. I no know why e be say even though they say that they surprise, say how wetin dey happen, why e be say these people dey no dey vex, but no be their fault, because they don use charm, everything, juju, everything take tie us, everything na dey take tie us. So my people wey dey Nigeria, my people wey dey for abroad, my people wey dey anywhere wey know say you come from Nigeria, abeg try make you tell your people say enough is enough, enough is enough. We don't take too much from these people hand. We don't take too big, and this time around they don't buy to they not fit showing, because 2019 we must collect that power from them. Either even we are planning for this election. Me, I'm not even seeing this election. I'm seeing revolution before this election. That's what I'm seeing. I'm seeing a revolution before this election, because me not believe saying that this devil election I go take our Nigeria to another place. I only believe in strong revolution, and with that revolution that country e no fit go anywhere. People wey be say me if you go bring fake person come make call rule you, na go be say me wan leave am for you. Their mission for life now, make Nigeria destroy before they die, make Nigeria finish before they die, make Nigeria finish before they die. But God don answer us say they go die, Nigeria go dey exist, because they born dem come meet Nigeria. So those people, so abeg my people, make we join hands together, make we support this umbrella of action, this umbrella of reality, this mission, vision. Make we support am, make we take am back. Enough is enough. Let's support and take our country back from evil, from spirit, from vampire, because of our children, because of our children, because of our next generation to come. Even though you not do it because of yourself, just do it because of your children, because of we dey alive now. Oh, the same person wey dey rule us now say na resemblance. Oh Nigeria like comedy o, resemblance. They dey rule the whole full country, resemblance. But my people will not mumu like that. My people will not be idiots. My people will not be stupid thing. And moreover, all those things so wey they say they do so, wetin I consider dey feel for inside be say they use am dey do publicity for their self. PDP and APC, they get plan. That's why all those things, if this one shit, this one go cry. And news now they carry nothing apart from them. So now make am. So my people, I beg, let's say enough is enough. 2019, let's join hands together and take our country back. Let's take it back because of our children. Let's take it back because of our pikin wey be say man, he wan go suffer. Make we take am back, because these people, even though we live there for 100 years, I know say 100 years na that 100,000 mistake na they go make. They no ready change this country, they no ready change am at all, and they no wan even ready see good thing dey come up. People wey fit get mind come bring another person for una make all rule us. Abeg my people, AAC, PDP and APC, we need to tell them say enough is enough. Enough is enough. It's that time we have to tell them this truth. Enough is enough. Let's not take it from them anymore. 2019. Let's disagree with them. Let's disagree for their bag of rice. Mama disagree for their bag of rice. Youth disagree for their 5,000. Youth disagree for their 10,000. Abeg, it don't take. Make we say no. Make we tell them anything wey they bring come no. If they carry good promise come no. If they carry bad promise come no. If they carry bag of rice come no. Make just say no to them so that make they just go. They don't try. They don't destroy us, try. They don't tire. They themselves don't tire. They themselves not even they themselves not even they not even they care. You know now, like the first person they go work with not the person man, and the first one they put. I beg our youth. More stop to dey follow these people. I beg for Nigeria. I beg. Now the youth of Nigeria we just dey beg so. Because we know say we go dey Europe here. Then they say they know say me if they say me they we do this election for here say we go dey Europe we fit vote. They know say they go lose hopefully because they know say they don't fit bribe us. So they know say we don't fit bribe us. Now make am the first season but at the time anyhow wey we fit take tumble this thing this government around make we turn am around. Very important. Very important. It's time for we all to join hands together and turn this government around. Let's chase out these people. Let's do a revolutionary movement for them. Let's do, even though I mass bury according to that guy, may we do anything at all we go take comot them. Because for me get one parable for my place say if you dey beat your enemy, you know dey look wetin you dey beat am. Na so make e die na you dey. These people dey not be our enemy. See PDP man for here. Who be this PDP man? PDP man, wetin dey happen for here? I cite you, brother. If you be youth, you get this PDP umbrella, comot am for your life because the umbrella no good o. Na the umbrella wey dey make rain dey beat person. You understand? Na umbrella wey dey take cover us, wey rain beat us for 16 years. Comot am for your life. E no good. Nothing dey articulate, nothing dey come articulate, nothing wan come articulate one day. If you just be that kind of person wey dey support them because this is umbrella so bros your sister I no know whosoever e no good. You understand? This umbrella na bad umbrella, na umbrella wey be say you no fit put hope for. Na umbrella wey we believe on 16 years. E no rain beat us necessarily. So our youth comot that umbrella for your hand. Make we use our hand cover this sun. Make we use our hand cover their face. We go cover their face with our hand because we don tire. You understand? Because these people so they ready wey be say me they want to condemn us. They ready wey be say me want to follow them bomber to bomber. This 2019 anything wey they get now they want to find the position. But anything wey we get now we want to pursue them comot. You understand? So my people, that's just the fact. I beg my brothers and sisters. See, yes, you. It was the laugh. So my people, I not too much get too much time. I feel say a small word that you go tell person wey get sense, e go enter in mind. This fake government make we say no to them. All these fake things where they provide give us. E first come with fake promise, e no give us. E come with fake air condition that e carry come. Even heat to e carry come rule us na fake. So na just like that, my people. Make we try join hands together. Make we say no to these stupid people. Make we say no to articulated. Make we say no to boy related. Nothing. All we just want right now is to say Bobo. Is to hear Bobo taking over, man. Is to see somebody who can lead us to the promised land. You understand? We have been begging for another Moses. The Moses is here right now. All we need to do, let's support the Moses so that we shall get to the promised land quickly. Before, not like the Israel people that stay long. We have been long time in that promised gate. This is the time to go to the promised land. So let's do everything possible to take ourselves to promised land 2019. So I love you guys, man. Love my fans all. God bless you guys. So me I go crash because tomorrow I dey travel this morning even sef. You understand? But we know the feeling. I say me I go crash so maybe if I still go sleep so now maybe one coffee or still come. How far? Wetin happen? Because just to gather the cool information and to get everything right, it must be this kind of time. You understand? So at this kind of time we take the work. We say me to get everything right, to see say me if you dey talk to person this kind of time, he go understand you. You understand? So even this one so I say I wan go crash so now if it be say me na lie. If it be say me for more than 3-4 days now man never crash. All you just need to do, just dey try dey reach underground grassroots, just dey try press every single button wey go make even mostly Edo State not take am back. We no wan hear am. So that's why we no fit sleep day and night. So this PDP man, he should go. Peggy. Okay, oh, may I leave una now? I this town. I saw you dey be. Mona good day. Whether na good night. If you dey for America, good night. If you dey for Nigeria, good morning. Bye bye. Shout. But please, brothers and sisters, let's join us together and take our country back from these fake people. You know, it's really important. 219. Let's take our country back. 219. You understand? So share this video. May reach your friend down. May reach your brother hand, may reach your sister hand. May they wake up cursing in the morning. You understand? So I love you guys, man. I love my fans. God bless you guys. See me up Germany tomorrow. Today don't break. Germany later. Later just now, but maybe by 3 to 4 hours now I go begin enter road go Germany. I get show for Germany. So me I go shut up, me I go arrange myself. That's how they be. I love my people. God bless you guys.